7 years ago, I was on a run for a job. I was working as a production assistant, and on the way back from that run, a person took a left turn from the center turn lane and cut over 3 lanes of traffic with low visibility. So she couldn't see me coming, and I hit her. She made the left turn not knowing what was there. So it was her fault. My airbags deployed, my car was totaled, and I went to the hospital that night. Everything checked out, but a few days later I got this recurring pain in my left side rib cage. Couldn't really figure out what was going on. I thought it was bumps, bruises, but then upon further investigation we found out that the rib was actually torn from my ligaments in the back, so it's floating and it can't be fixed. That's why I came to see Chris, and he has been really helpful and essential in proving this soft tissue injury. With Chris's help, I can go to a physical therapist and a doctor anytime I need to, things like that. So I'm very grateful for Chris's help, and he took the time to get to know me, my story, understand where I was coming from before the accident, and who I am now. He met with my friends. It's an in-depth thing. I almost feel like we're friends now, because you work together so closely for a while you're prepping for trial and all of that, that I feel like he understands, and he took the time to get to know me. It's really appreciated.
I grew up here in Kirkwood, St. Louis, went to high school in St. Louis, graduated from college in St. Louis, went to law school in St. Louis, and then started practicing law right after that as a trial lawyer, doing cases with the circuit attorney's office. I can tell you from personal experience that when a jury reads a verdict, and that verdict is true and it's right and it's authentic and it represents the losses that your client has suffered, there is no greater feeling on this earth than knowing that justice was done for this person and you did what you could to the best of your ability to get them what they deserved and to get them back what they lost. And I've been lucky enough that people have trusted me enough to represent them and take it all the way to trial. And I've had that experience. And that's what I want to get back to every time.